Today I want to talk about Bitcoin. This is a market that everybody seems to hate now on the long side. It's forgotten about. There's no momentum. Formerly the brightest momentum, most wild part of the stock market. That's no longer the case. This is a year-to-date chart of Bitcoin that we're looking at right here. And you can see it's basically down and to the right. It has not performed. It's been in a downtrend for a while. In fact, if we look at some just general performance comparisons here year to date, the Qs are up 4%, Bitcoin's down 15%. If we look at software stocks, IGV, it's down 20%. So it's kind of lumped in the part of the market that nobody wants to touch right now. There's lots of quantum fear kind of going around the Bitcoin investment zeitgeist right now universe. And I think it's a little misfounded, but the market ultimately gets to weigh on that decision, and we need to see price action change. And that's what I'm really here to talk about, because I do think the price action has the potential to change here, and I'm watching it closely. This is the first video that I've done or really talked about Bitcoin in quite some time, but I think this is the spot we start to pay attention to it. 75K, it's banging its head against this area. This is where it found supply in March. And so it makes sense that we're finding just a little bit of hesitation up here while risk assets generally rip. The other thing that I think makes this area even more important is we have, generally speaking, our trajectory downward here since October, this multi-month downtrend that Bitcoin has been in. You can see also kind of lines up in this general area right now. I want to start to have a optimistic, or at least be prepared for a potential change of character and a turnaround story here in Bitcoin. It's not ready yet. Don't have the trade on yet, and it might not trigger in this fashion, but I want to see a move, a change of character, a breakout over, let's call it 76K into the 77s. I think if you can get above this zone and start to bring in some volume, I think we have a fast move, not a slow move, but I think it's a fast move back into the 90s here for Bitcoin, because you do have a little bit of a volume pocket in here on how price likes to move. So I think if you get this unlock where, enough people are kind of convinced that the overall longer intermediate term trend has broken, and we're starting to clear and make a higher high, I think you can get a swift move back into the 90s. So that's what I'm watching. It's not there yet. Figured this would just be a kind of a quick tactical video here on something, a trade setup that I've been patiently waiting for. I do have some puts sold in IBIT right now underneath the market, but I don't have any long aggressive trading position directionally. I think if we get some of this action to play out, then that would change it. Hopefully that helps. I'm going to do a few more videos like this on the YouTube channel. So make sure you are subscribed on the YouTube channel, and have a great day.